Airframe. Objectives. After completing this section, you will get familiar with fuselage, wings, and empennage. Fuselage. The fuselage of the Diamond DA-40NG airplane is made of glass fiber reinforced plastic and has a semi-monocoque construction. The semi-monocoque construction uses a substructure to which the airplane skin is attached. The substructure usually consists of bulkheads, formers, and stringers, in addition to a stress skin covering the entire fuselage. The outer skin of the fuselage consists of two glass fiber reinforced plastic shells, left-hand shell and right-hand shell. These shells transmit structural loads and are bonded to each other at the top and bottom of the fuselage. All of the main structural fuselage components are glass fiber reinforced plastic rigid moldings. However, some components have layers of carbon fiber composite materials to provide more strength and stiffness. The fuselage is divided into three sections: the front section, the center section, and the rear section. The engine and the propellers are attached to the front section of the fuselage on this type of airplane. The front section of the fuselage consists of a firewall, a floor panel, and a top hat profile. The firewall is a fireproof partition between the rear of the engine and the flight deck. It protects against accidental engine fires. The firewall is made of heat-resistant materials such as stainless steel. The floor panel is attached to the inner bottom skin of the fuselage shell and the firewall. It is located on top of the hat profile. The top hat profile is joined with the inner bottom skin of the fuselage. It provides strength and stiffness to the front section. The center section of the fuselage has mountings for the wings and the main landing gear. It also includes the front main bulkhead and the rear main bulkhead. The two bulkheads are made of glass fiber reinforced plastic material, with additional layers of carbon cloth on the top and bottom faces. The carbon layers are used to provide better strength and stiffness to the bulkheads. The center section also includes the roll bar, which interconnects the right and left fuselage shells. The roll bar has a framing roll around the canopy, window, and passenger door cutouts. The rear section of the fuselage consists of a baggage compartment frame and three ring frames of different sizes. All the used frames are made of rigid glass fiber reinforced plastic moldings. The rear section extends from the trailing edge of the wing to the front of the vertical stabilizer. Wings. The referred airplane has cantilever wings with a monocoque structure. The wings have sandwich construction and are made of glass fiber reinforced plastic and carbon fiber reinforced plastic material, the same as flaps and ailerons. The wings are attached to the bottom of the fuselage and have a top and a bottom shell. The outer skin of the shell is made of carbon fiber reinforced plastic, while the inner skin is made of glass fiber reinforced plastic material. Each wing of the airplane consists of the following parts: a front spar, a rear spar, ribs, a wingtip, a rear web, and an aluminum fuel tank installed inside the wing. Additionally, a base plate for takeoff and landing lights is mounted only on the left wing. The wing structure has a fail-safe concept. For example, the separation of the top and bottom shell will cause no or minimal damage to other parts of the wing. Empennage. The empennage of the airplane has a T-tail design, made of glass fiber reinforced plastic semi-monocoque construction, same as the fuselage. The empennage consists of a vertical stabilizer with a double spar structure, and a horizontal stabilizer also with a double spar structure. The rudder and the elevator in both stabilizers are of sandwich construction. Summary. With this section, you got familiar with fuselage, wings, and empennage.